This is where they set up for the, maybe the bar is set out here. It's kind of an open area before you head into the auditorium. And then this would be the auditorium through this door. This is your view from the windows. And then they have, the tables would have a white tablecloth on it. And you can set up wherever you want the bride and groom and party to be, here or up front typically. And then we have the dance floor. And this holds up to 200 people. Is over here.
You get the deck as well.
Oh, along with this space, you also get the deck. Thank you. Which is the entrance to the zoo. There's your garden. It's very nice and big, yeah. Heading out to see where the bathrooms are. Oh, they're right outside of the hallway.
Yep.
And in here there are about 5 stalls.
If there was a second wedding, they would be downstairs. So there's just the 2 locations.
Yep.
So this wedding would be just for these bathrooms would be just
all your
upstairs
party.
would be
Yep.
all of our party.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go.